everyone, I am Pragdish from Introspect. This is the Python lesson 2 where you learn about conditional statements and booleans. Don't skip the full video so you can get the information I have given in the Python video.
You will learn about booleans and conditional statements. To begin with, what is booleans? For an example, is a sunny day, sunny day, sunny day is equal to true. You want to keep it true like this, and it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day false. Booleans are very special values in Python. The booleans only can be true or false. That's it. Only these two options, nothing else. For an example, is sunny day true? Means today it's sunny. Is a sunny day false? Means it's not sunny. It's rainy. And here is an example about booleans in real life. Booleans are used everywhere in real life too. Think about it. And is the light on? True or false? Is the light off? True or false? Is your phone charged? True or false? Did you subscribe to this channel? True or false? Using booleans in both. And for an example, this log log if is equal to true. Then next, if is if is logged in, we can copy and paste the code. This here logged in December, and that means add 3 space so it will declare in a statement. Print from brackets quotes print welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back and comma user. User and this symbol. And then next we use else. So you want to begin at this. Else as print. You can copy and paste. So will take only few minutes. Welcome. Now for here, please log in first. Please log in first. Now run this file. Will show me. Oh, I need to put this code in front of S so it will work. True and as I said, you want to be the correct statement like this. Then now run this one. Welcome back user. Now then I keep it false. False. Now see. Please log in first. So like this, here we use a boolean is logged in. If it's true, Python says welcome back user. If it's false, Python says please log in first. See how powerful boolean is? Next, what is a condition? Condition let Python decide what to do based on booleans. If a statement is true, do something. Else, do something. Now, let's use a basic if statement example. First, let's use a variable called temperature. Temperature. Let's say it's equal to 15. And now let's use if temperature is less than 20, greater than 20, then uh, you want to add decimal and it want to print. Make sure you have three spaces before print so it will go in the if statement. Print brackets and quotes. It's warm outside. It's warm outside. Next, an else block. Else, and don't forget to add decimal. As print, print, print like this. And if you give them something appears to the print at the front, give that. So it will give the full code. If it's a bit of code, it's a bit of code. A bit of code. Now we have now let's run this file. It's a bit of code because temperature is less than 20. What if I increase the temperature like a 30? And now run this and it's showing me it's warm outside. Now here is an if statement block example. Let's take an example. For this, let's use the variable called age. Then age is equal to 10 and if we are using if age is greater than 18. For this, you will let and or and else elif. If we use two, that means we can use if and else. If we use for many, we can use elif. So if age is le- greater than less than 6, print print he is a KG student. And now we will use the next code called elif. Elif age is greater than 6 and we use and age is less than 1 is less than 1. Then we want to keep and don't forget to add this symbol. Otherwise it will show you an error. Yeah. Next, let's use elif. Oh, print he is an elementary school. She is in elementary school. And yeah, now let's go to the next. Next, Elif age is greater than 12 and age is less than 18. Pre brackets quotes. She is at middle school. Now let's add the final code. So we don't need to add Elif. We add else. Else, else. Don't forget to add this. Decimal. Else. Print. Print brackets quotes. He is a high school. And yeah, this is our code. Now let's run it. And see here, he's printing he's in elementary school. Because see here, age is greater than 6 and less than 12. So 6 and between 6 and 12, 10 is there. So like that. And if the age does not collide with the first and statement, it will not see this statement. If it does, like 6 is greater than 10, so it will see. If it does not, means it will not see the next one. So like that. And now let's see what happened when I put that in. And it will show me he is in middle school. And 19, she is a high schooler. That like this. And 5, he's a KG student. What if I put or? This and or are both statement for this, but or depends on and means if this is also correct and this is also correct, or means if this is correct or this is correct, like that. If I put 5, this will be he is a KG student. So I put 12, it will show me he is an elementary school, like that. And the, it's all same because and or collide with the same thing. It's an elementary school. Oh, because or is age is less than 1. So like that. It will collide with Elif. So we can learn that this collide with Elif. So this is the end of the session. Let's go to the finals.
Hope you like my videos. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon button so you can receive future videos. Thank you.